The probe manifold on the Davey Lifeguard must be installed in the correct position, which is horizontal with the probes on top and with the correct direction of flow as indicated here. If you have a heater as part of your pool system, it needs to be installed before the probe manifold and the EcoSalt 2 cell. If your filtration system drains when not running, the probe manifold should be installed to allow a low point, to keep the probe ends in water at all times to avoid damage to your probes. The probe manifold assembly includes 3 probe sealing blanks for use when the probes aren't installed. For easy installation, each probe locking nut has a washer and an O-ring. The washer goes between the locking nut and the O-ring. The O-ring does not need to be lubricated and must be installed dry to secure the probe correctly. The probe locking nuts only need to be hand tightened to a firm seal. Davey does not recommend the use of any fastening tools as over-tightening may damage the probe. You are now ready to install the acid dosing pump.